Hello and welcome back at Code Mercenaries. We want to give you a short update on the LED-Warrior18 project. As you can see, we just received a batch of ready units from the manufacturing service, and we're going to program and test them soon. Here we have the programming adapter for the modules. We insert the modules into this adapter and close it, and then program the firmware into the modules. The adapters use so-called pogo pins, which are spring-mounted, so we can contact the module without soldering. After programming the firmware, we insert the module into this adapter, which also has a contact for the outputs, and which does a 100% test. It has an Arduino inside that sends the commands to the module and controls the LEDs that we have connected for testing. The project is on track and we expect to start shipping the modules before the end of April.